Hey guys, it's Marissa from Krietz Customs showing off a customer wheel. Here beside me I have a rolling big power 69R Swat. The size is a 20 by 10 with a -12 offset and the finish is black with chrome inserts. This wheel features a split spoke design and it is an angular, so it gives this wheel a nice unique look. Some other sizes this wheel comes in is a 20 by 10, 20 by 12, 22 by 12, 22 by 14, and a 24 by 14. So you definitely have some various sizes for your vehicle. If you guys like this wheel, make sure you check out our wheel gallery at KreitzCustoms.com or go to our Facebook page at Krietz Customs.